Pickle. Healthy.
I love you, baby. I'm back.
Hey, healthy again. Haha. Are you smoking shrooms? Hold on 1 second. I'm back.
Were you still recording?
Yeah.
Very nice. I don't know. He's a dumbass.
I don't like this stuff, but I guess I should. Tonic water tastes like shit. Miller High Life. It tastes real good. Who the fucking marketing? What's go wrong with some apples? I'm sure everyone there fresh.
You know I'm uploading this to Facebook.
I just fucked some pickles. Now, who the fuck would put bread in a fridge?
Oh my god! You just hit me in the sides! Fuck. I can't breathe. Ow. God damn, Steve, what's wrong with you? He just hit me in like both sides of the rib cage.
Oh, I'm texting, by the way. Here. Can you see the phone? Look. I broke it. I fucked it up. I said, she's gonna stab me. I went on the phone and then went, I can't see no more. I can't see no more.
He's recording so loud in the refrigerator.
Like I said, like carrots. Look, they have one here. Then I have it right here. More carrots. And you guys has been standing behind me for about 10 hours.
Not
Fucking
really.
creeper.
It's trash. What?
Orange juice. The best thing in the fucking world.
You know I'm up.
And I love it. Good choice of beer. Yingling. Yingling, very good to drink. Bottle good.
God damn it.
Can bad. So get bottle. You better get it. Fucking kill you. Hold on 1 second, I'll be right back.
Are you still there?
She put trash
That
in
was
my...
gross, actually.
Put prints in my drinks. So did they just upload those pictures?
Yeah, from the page.
Oh.
Say I was don't.
She's fucking crazy.
Joey. Say hi, Joey. Wait, don't say hi yet. Say hi now.
Say hi, you fucking asshole.
Hi.
Drolling's bad.
Julian's good if you're retarded like me. Hold on one second, got another text.
Dennis just texted me. He said, sorry to wake you. I was like, I'm wide awake.
That's slobber on me.
You son of a
What if
5 minutes? Have you recorded 2 videos? We're recording out of the refrigerator.
One, just one. Isn't it cool? It's like black and white, and you're jumping on the
This is terrifying. You know, if this door breaks off, we have toilet paper above the fridge.
toilet paper. Uncle Greg likes to take shits. Ooh, light bulbs. Ooh, heavy.
They're not light bulbs, they're light fixtures.
I'll be back. I have more fridges and freezers to read.